97% will fail this rare British classic car quiz. Are you ready to test your knowledge of the coolest British classic cars? You'll have 20 questions to prove you're a true British classic car enthusiast. The quiz gets progressively harder, so buckle up. Score 5 points for each correct answer without hints, and 2 points if you need the options but still guess it right. Easy round. The first 10 questions will be based on general knowledge for car enthusiasts.
Round 1.
Which iconic British car is this? A. Rolls-Royce Phantom 2. B. Bentley Blue Train. C. Austin 10. D. Aston Martin Ulster. The correct answer is B. Bentley Blue Train. This Bentley got its name from a famous race in which it beat the Blue Train Express from Cannes to Calais. It remains an icon of British luxury and performance. Round 2. Which car company produces the Eclat? A. Bentley. B. Aston Martin. C. Jaguar. D. Lotus. The answer is D. Lotus. The Lotus Eclat, produced in the 1970s, is a classic example of British engineering, known for its lightweight design and precise handling. Round 3. Identify this sleek British sports car. A. Austin Healey 100. B. Aston Martin DB2. C. Jaguar XKS. D. MGA. If you answered C, Jaguar XKSS, you are right. The XKSS was a road-going version of the Jaguar D-Type, famously owned by Steve McQueen. Only 16 were built, making it one of the rarest British classics. Round 4. Which British car brand created the famous Mini Cooper S in 1964? A. MG. B. Rover. C. Aston Martin. D. Morris. The answer is D. Morris. The Mini Cooper S became a legend thanks to its success in rally racing, including the Monte Carlo Rally, where it won several times in the 1960s. Round 5. Can you name this stunning post-war sports car? A. Jaguar XK120. B. Aston Martin DB2. C. MGTC. D. Austin Healey 100. Okay, the answer is A. Jaguar XK120. The XK120 was the fastest production car of its time, reaching speeds of 120 miles per hour, hence its name. It was a hit among British sports car lovers and Hollywood stars alike. Round 6. Which famous British off-road vehicle was first introduced in 1970? A. Land Rover Defender. B. Austin Gypsy. C. Range Rover. D. Vauxhall Viva. If you answered C. Range Rover, you are right again. The Range Rover revolutionized the luxury SUV market, blending off-road capability with the comfort of a road car. It's been an icon in British automotive design ever since. Round 7. Which car is this? A. Lotus Elan. B. Triumph TR5. C. Austin Healey Sprite. D. MG BGT. The answer is A. Lotus Elan. The Lotus Elan is a lightweight sports car known for its handling and nimbleness. It was a favorite among racers and enthusiasts alike in the 1960s. Round 8. Which British car manufacturer is famous for creating the DB series sports cars? A. Jaguar. B. Aston Martin. C. Lotus. D. Bentley. The answer is B. Aston Martin. Aston Martin's DB series, particularly the DB4 and DB5, became iconic, not just for their performance, but also for their association with James Bond. Round 9. Identify this iconic British sports car. A. Austin Healey 100. B. Triumph Spitfire. C. Jaguar E-Type Semi. D. MGA. The correct answer is C. Jaguar E-Type Semi. The Jaguar E-Type is often considered one of the most beautiful cars ever made. Enzo Ferrari himself called it the most beautiful car in the world. Round 10. Which car manufacturer is known for the McLaren F1, one of the fastest road cars of the 1990s? A. Jaguar. B. Lotus. C. McLaren. D. Bentley. The correct answer is C. McLaren. The McLaren F1 held the world record for the fastest production car in the 1990s, reaching speeds of 240 miles per hour. Its revolutionary design and performance still inspire supercars today. Medium round. These questions are for seasoned enthusiasts who know their British classics inside and out. Round 11. Can you identify this elegant British classic? A. Aston Martin DB3. B. Jaguar D-Type. C. Lotus Elite. D. MGB. The correct choice is A. Aston Martin DB3. The DB3 was designed specifically for racing and helped solidify Aston Martin's place in motorsport history, with its victories at Le Mans and other major races. Round 12. Which year did the first AC Ace debut, a car that would later inspire the Shelby Cobra? A. 1953. B. 1957. C. 1962. D. 1972. The correct answer is A. 1953. The AC Ace was the lightweight British sports car that Carroll Shelby used as the foundation for the legendary Shelby Cobra, blending British design with American power. Round 13. This compact British icon changed the game in racing. What is it? A. Triumph TR4. B. Mini Cooper S. C. MG Midget. D. Austin Healey 3000. The answer is D. Mini Cooper S. The Mini Cooper S became a racing legend after winning the Monte Carlo Rally multiple times. Its small size and nimble handling made it a fan favorite. Round 14. Jaguar D-Type was famous for its success in which motorsport event? A. 24 Hours of Le Mans. B. Formula One. C. World Rally Championship. D. British Touring Car Championship. The answer is A. 24 Hours of Le Mans. The Jaguar D-Type won the 24 Hours of Le Mans 3 times in the 1950s, becoming one of the most successful and admired race cars of its era. Round 15. What is this classic British roadster? A. Lotus Elan. B. Jaguar XJ6. C. AC Ace. D. Aston Martin DBS. The right answer is C. AC Ace. The AC Ace was known for its perfect blend of style and performance and was the platform for the famous Shelby Cobra. Finally, the hard round. These last 5 questions are for true experts, those who live and breathe classic British cars. Round 16. Which British car company produced the Bentley Blower, a supercharged version of its touring car? A. Rolls-Royce. B. Aston Martin. C. Bentley. D. Jaguar. The answer is C. Bentley. The Bentley Blower was a supercharged version of the Bentley touring cars, which dominated the racing scene in the late 1920s and early 1930s. Round 17. What is the name of this post-war luxury car? A. Jaguar Mark IV. B. Rolls-Royce Silver Wraith. C. Austin A90. D. Bentley Mark VI. The answer is A. Jaguar Mark IV. The Jaguar Mark IV was one of the first luxury vehicles produced after World War II, becoming a symbol of British elegance and automotive craftsmanship. Round 18. The Triumph TR2 was built to compete against which popular British sports car? A. MG TD. B. Austin Healey 100. C. Jaguar XK20. D. Morris Minor. The answer is, of course, B. Austin Healey 100. The Triumph TR2 was designed to offer an affordable yet fast alternative to the Austin Healey 100, which dominated the British sports car market in the early 1950s. Round 19. Can you name this rare British classic with Italian flair? A. Jaguar E-Type. B. Aston Martin DB4 Zagato. C. MGA. D. Triumph TR3. The correct answer is B. Aston Martin DB4 Zagato. The Aston Martin DB4 Zagato was a collaboration between Aston Martin and Italian design house Zagato, combining British power with sleek Italian styling. The final round. Which famous designer was responsible for the design of the Jaguar E-Type? A. Ian Callum. B. Sir William Lyons. C. Malcolm Sayer. D. Walter Owen Bentley. And the only right answer is C. Malcolm Sayer. Malcolm Sayer was the aerodynamicist behind the iconic design of the Jaguar E-Type, which became one of the most admired cars in automotive history. How many points did you score? Share your results in the comments below and let us know which British classic car was your favorite. If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive trivia.